If you're trying to figure out whether Constant Contact or GetResponse is the best email campaign tool for your business, you're not alone. Both platforms claim to provide the best features, but which one actually delivers? Stick around as we dive into a detailed comparison, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is best suited for your needs, and why there's another option I recommend over both. Let's start with the first thing to consider: pricing. Constant Contact's pricing starts a bit higher compared to GetResponse, especially when you scale up your email list. While both platforms offer a variety of pricing tiers, Constant Contact tends to charge more as your list grows. For a similar number of contacts, GetResponse could save you some money in the long run, but of course, it all depends on what features you're actually using. Next thing is ease of use. Constant Contact is often praised for its simplicity and beginner-friendly interface. If you've never used email marketing before, it's incredibly easy to get started. The learning curve isn't steep, and the setup process is fast. However, GetResponse also offers a simple interface, but with a lot more options tucked under the surface. It might take a little longer to master, but once you do, you'll have access to more advanced features. The third thing to consider is the automation capabilities. GetResponse really shines here. It offers more advanced marketing automation, allowing you to set up complex workflows that can trigger based on user behavior. Constant Contact's automation, while functional, feels a little basic in comparison. So if you're looking to scale with robust automation, GetResponse has the upper hand. The fourth thing is the email templates and design features. Constant Contact has a huge selection of templates that are easy to customize. If you want to create visually appealing emails quickly, it's a good choice. GetResponse also offers templates, but the design customization options are more limited than what Constant Contact offers. If you're picky about the design, you might lean towards Constant Contact here. Next thing to talk about is reporting and analytics. Both platforms give you the basic metrics: open rates, click-through rates, etc. But GetResponse has a more advanced reporting system, offering more detailed insights into your campaign performance. You can track specific actions, segment your audience better, and get a deeper understanding of how your emails are performing. So, if data analysis is important to you, GetResponse takes the lead. Now, one feature that Constant Contact has over GetResponse is its customer support. Constant Contact is known for its highly responsive customer service. They offer chat, phone support, and plenty of helpful resources. GetResponse has decent customer support, but some users report slower response times, especially if you're on a lower tier plan. Another point is integrations. Both platforms integrate with a range of tools like CRMs, social media platforms, and e-commerce solutions. However, GetResponse tends to have more integrations with advanced tools that larger businesses may need. So, if you're using specialized tools in your workflow, GetResponse might be the better option. Lastly, let's talk about deliverability. Both platforms claim high deliverability rates, but GetResponse has been reported to have slightly better rates in recent tests. It's crucial that your emails actually land in the inbox, and if deliverability is a top priority, GetResponse is generally more reliable. Now, don't get me wrong, Constant Contact and GetResponse are both solid options for email campaigns. However, after trying both of these platforms and evaluating everything from pricing to automation, I want to point out an even better alternative. If you're serious about getting the best results with email marketing, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. This trial offers you exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, while Constant Contact and GetResponse are both great choices, if you want to elevate your email marketing campaigns and scale with ease, give this alternative a try. You'll thank me later. Check the link in the description to get started with the best free trial for email campaigns today.